Hello, friends. This is one of my favorite times of the year. It's fall, and I'm redoing my fall fireplace mantel decor, which is always so much fun to do. And I am so happy to be participating in the fall fireplace decor challenge. The host is Stephanie with Creatively Miss Me with Stephanie, and her co-host is the amazing Courtney with Amethyst Adventure. I hope you enjoy my fireplace mantel decor, and of course, like always, I am stuck between which florals I should put on my mantel. So please, if you could help me, tell me if you like look 1 or look 2, and tell me when you first see look 1 if you can tell where my deer is. Oh dear, is there deer in my mantel? You tell me. Okay, here is my mantel. This is our first choice. I couldn't decide on florals, but this is my first choice in florals for my mantel. And I'll show you what we're working with. Yes, there's a deer. Right now, tell me where the deer is. I like to hide things from Stephanie. Can you find the deer? If you can't find the deer, tell me in the comments you can't find the deer. If you found the deer already, tell me where it is. Okay, then I will show you my mantel. Okay, here is our scarecrow. He's holding this pumpkin, and I like that pumpkin. And here is our garland. Of course, it's purple for our guest host Amethyst Adventure, because we know she loves her purple. And then I added this. This is just a piece of Dollar Tree fabric. I thought it just needed a little more interest, so I did it like a bandana. And here is our florals, first choice of florals. These are summer florals. They're purple and white. I got those at Michael's, and they're 90% off. That's our first choice. And this is, I bought these last year. They were from Michael's too. And I got them after summer. They were 90% off. Pumpkins, Hobby Lobby. This was from Michael's. This was from Michael's last year, but I think they also have them this year. And our scarecrows, they came from Hobby Lobby. This pumpkin came from Michael's. These came from At Home, and there's our deer. Yep, it's on the candles. And there's actually 2 of them if you go around the candle. On this one you can see there's the 2. There's 2 deer on each candle. And I just put pearls and Dollar Tree crystals in this to give it a little more interest, because I like to decorate a little more shabby chic. And here's our little girl scarecrow. This is our first look for our mantel. And then I will let the music play and let you look at this over, and then I'll be back with a second look. Okay, here is look 2. Can you tell the difference? Yep, I changed out the florals. Started out the same. Changed out the florals and the one pumpkin. Because these are more wildflowers. But they still have our hints of purple. Gotta have a little hint of purple for amethyst. Right, Courtney? And our purple vases and our purple jugs. Here's the pumpkin I switched out. Don't know whether I like the white one or I like this one. This one has a little thankful tag. Might be cute, especially during Thanksgiving. But you tell me which one you like best. I kind of like these florals better because they're mixed. That has more yellow spikes and this one has more purple spike. They just remind me of wildflowers.